Need to add an additional monitor to provide more viewing area for your programs and applications? The Accell USB 2.0 video adapters allow you to easily extend or mirror your desktop onto a second VGA, DVI, or HDMI display using your computer's USB port. The Accell USB video adapters eliminate the need to install a video card when adding a second display. Add additional adapters to support up to 6 displays on a single computer. Accell offers 2 USB adapter models, the Ultra AV USB 2.0 to HDMI adapter and the Ultra Video USB 2.0 to DVI adapter. The Ultra AV USB 2.0 to HDMI adapter supports both audio and video. The Accell USB video adapters are easy to set up. First, use the included CD-ROM to install the software driver. Next, connect the video adapter to your computer's USB port. Then connect your display to the video adapter. Setup is complete. Now it's easy to use your USB port to watch, work, and play at the same time with Accell's USB video adapters. Both Accell video adapters use the top-of-the-line DisplayLink DL195 USB graphics processor, providing superior video performance and image quality. PC or Mac compatibility. This amazingly flexible adapter keeps the quality of your images by supporting high-resolution displays up to 1920 by 1280 and 2048 by 1152 widescreen. A must-have for any business, the gamer, and even a web surfer. For more information, visit us at www.accellcables.com. A true manufacturer of high-quality and affordable connectivity products.